Hi, Sean Malone with the Malone Group, and I'd like to welcome you to our newest listing. Here in the wonderful Red Hawk community, we've got 3-car garage. It's built in 1993, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Let me show you some wonderful things here. We've got its own separate driveway. For what? RV. There's no HOA either. So if that was a concern for you, don't worry about it. Separate driveway, 36 by 22 for your friends, your family, or your own RV. Pull in and enjoy your entertainer's backyard, which includes a pool, jacuzzi, fire pit, barbecue, and even has a paid off solar. Now come inside and let's check out the rest of the place.